Welcome to Swapworld Gadgets. If you are a fan of cool gadgets, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Let's get started with today's exciting finds. Glove Barcode. Transform the way you work with the Alacrity 2D wireless wearable glove barcode scanner. This Bluetooth-enabled 3-in-1 gadget lets you scan barcodes effortlessly while keeping your hands free. Whether you are using a smartphone, tablet or PC, it's designed for ultimate convenience and speed. Perfect for high-hand use, it's the future of productivity in the palm of your hand. Phone Microscope. Discover the unseen with the MuteMe Phone Microscope. This 200x nano zoom lens turns your smartphone into a pocket microscope, complete with CPL lens and LED light for crystal clear views. Perfect for kids and adults to explore the micro world. It's the ultimate gift for curiosity and learning. Bluetooth speaker hat. Stay stylish and connected with this Bluetooth speaker hat, a trendy baseball cap that lets you enjoy music hands-free during outdoor sports. Adjustable, comfortable and perfect as a birthday gift for men, women, boys or girls, because why choose between fashion and function? Wireless charger. Charge your Apple Watch anywhere with the Auto Portable wireless charger. This 1400 mAh keychain power bank is compact, magnetic and compatible with all Apple Watch series, including the Ultra, perfect for on-the-go convenience, never run out of power again. Physical mute button. Say goodbye to awkward unmuting moments with MuteMe. This illuminated physical mute button works seamlessly with Zoom, Teams, WebEx and more. Compatible with Mac and PC. It's easy to set up with a USB code and free software. Perfect for hassle-free meetings, featured on Shark Tank. EMF Detector. Detect and stay protected with this 4-in-1 EMF detector. Measure electromagnetic fields, radio frequencies and 5G radiation with ease using this handheld rechargeable device featuring a built-in dosimeter and Wi-Fi signal strength meter. It's your ultimate tool for a safer environment. Slider handgun. Secure your firearm with ease using this biometric slider handgun safe. Perfect for your nightstand, desk or truck. It features an auto sliding door and offers access via fingerprint, pin code or key. Keep your pistol safe and ready when you need it most. Security meets convenience. Camera and bug detector. Protect your privacy anywhere with this camera and bug detector. Detect hidden cameras, listening devices and bugs in your car, hotel or meeting spaces. Compact and powerful, it's the ultimate tool to safeguard your travel and ensures your privacy in every situation. MuteSwitch. Take control of your meetings with the MuteSwitch. This versatile mute button and software let you mute your mic, camera or both with ease. Customize status, light, colors, toggle on screen and enjoy seamless compatibility with Zoom, Teams, WebEx and more, perfect for Mac and PC users. Multi-charging cable. Charge all your devices with the 4-in-1 retractable multi-charging cable featuring fast 4A charging and Type-C micro USB and lightning ports. This compact and durable cable works with phone, tablets, PS and more. Perfect for hassle-free charging on the go. All done. If you want to get your hands on any of these gadgets, the links are in the description below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.